How to use Twitter Beginner's Guide. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Twitter. Simply create an account or simply log into your account if you already have one. This is the home page. From here, you can go to For You and also simply scroll on to what your followings has post. You can also click on search and search for people or any post you want. If you click on grow, this is the new update. You can ask anything in here and it will reply to you. This is basically AI. If you click on two-person light figure, you can explore in here as well. And bell-like option is notification. And if you go to envelope on bottom right, this is where you can send messages to people. To tweet, simply click on plus button with blue feather on it on bottom right, and you can simply tweet anything you want. This is how to use Twitter Beginner's Guide. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.